Hello friends, in last lecture we have seen few basic concepts of matrices like types of matrices, addition, subtraction and scalar multiplication. Now in this lecture we will see matrix multiplication. Let us see first of all when matrix multiplication is possible. Suppose if matrix A is of order m by n and matrix B is of order p by q, then matrix multiplication AB is possible if and only if n is equal to p. It means matrix A is having m rows and n columns. Matrix B is having p number of rows and q number of columns. Then matrix multiplication AB is possible if and only if the nearest members are same. N and P are the nearest members. So the condition is if these two members are same, then and then only matrix AB is possible. मित्रांनो, मॅट्रिक्स ए ची ऑर्डर जर m बाय n असेल, b ची ऑर्डर p बाय q असेल, तर a इंटू b हे शक्य आहे जर n इज इक्वल टू p असेल तर. n काय दाखवत आहे? मॅट्रिक्स ए मधले नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स. ओके, सो m बाय n हे म्हणजे काय असतं? रो बाय कॉलम. m रिप्रेझेंट्स रो, n रिप्रेझेंट्स कॉलम, p रिप्रेझेंट्स नंबर ऑफ रोज, q रिप्रेझेंट्स नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स. ओके, सो पहिल्या मॅट्रिक्स मधले नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स आणि दुसऱ्या मॅट्रिक्स मधले नंबर ऑफ रोज जर सेम असतील तर a इंटू b हे पॉसिबल आहे. वेल, नाउ द ऑर्डर ऑफ रिझल्टंट मॅट्रिक्स ए बी इज m बाय q. मित्रांनो, येणार जे आन्सर आहे त्या आन्सरची ऑर्डर हे लांबचे मेंबर्स येतात, म्हणजे m बाय q असं येत असतं. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल, सपोज मॅट्रिक्स ए इज ऑफ ऑर्डर 2 बाय 2, 2 रोज अँड 2 कॉलम्स. मॅट्रिक्स बी इज ऑफ ऑर्डर 2 बाय 3, हे जर 2 बाय 3 असेल, देन मॅट्रिक्स मल्टिप्लिकेशन ए बी इज इट पॉसिबल? Yes, it is, because the nearest members are same, 2, 2. Okay, n is equal to p. Condition satisfied. Okay, so the resultant matrix AB is of order 2 by 3. Getting clear? 2 by 3. Okay, मित्रांनो, मॅट्रिक्स ए बी ची ऑर्डर हे लांबचे मेंबर्स येतात. 2 आणि 3 हे लांबचे मेंबर्स आहेत, तर ते मॅट्रिक्स ए बी ची ऑर्डर होत आहे. आणि हे जवळचे मेंबर्स काय पाहिजेत? सारखे पाहिजेत. जर जवळचे मेंबर्स सेम असतील तर मल्टिप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल आहे. आणि येणारं उत्तर हे किती बाय किती येतं? 2 बाय 3 येतं. ऍक्च्युअल मल्टिप्लिकेशन कसं आहे हे आपल्याला अजून माहित नाही. वी जस्ट चेक वेदर मल्टिप्लिकेशन इज पॉसिबल ऑर नॉट. ओके, सपोज मॅट्रिक्स ए इज ऑफ ऑर्डर 3 by 3 and matrix B is of order 3 by 1. Then matrix multiplication AB is possible because these two members are same, and the order of resultant matrix AB gives you 3 by 1. Okay, 3 by 1. Further, matrix A is of order 2 by 3 and matrix B is of order 3 by 2. It implies that matrix AB is possible because these two members are same. AB is possible and the order of AB comes 2 by 2. Okay, now look here, we have written something here. AB is not equal to BA. Friends, in usual algebra, we all know that 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2, isn't it? But in matrix algebra, AB need not be equal to BA. Why this is so? Look here. Suppose we want to find for this A and B the matrix BA. Okay, look here, matrix B is of order 3 by 2, matrix A is of order 2 by 3. Suppose if you want to find matrix BA, then is it possible? Yes, it is possible because these two nearest members are same. Matrix BA is possible and the order of resultant matrix BA comes 3 by 3. Okay, 3 by 3. Look here, BA comes 3 by 3. AB is 2 by 2. BA is 3 by 3. So it implies that AB not equal to BA. गेटिंग क्लिअर? मित्रांनो, ए बी ची ऑर्डर हे 2 by 2 आहे, बीए ची ऑर्डर 3 by 3 आहे, म्हणजे 3 रोज आणि 3 कॉलम्स. हे ऍक्च्युअल मल्टिप्लिकेशन न करता पण सांगता येतं की ए बी हे बीए एवढं नाही. इन मॅट्रिक्स अल्जेब्रा ए बी नीड नॉट बी इक्वल टू बीए. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी व्हेन मॅट्रिक्स मल्टिप्लिकेशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. लुक, सपोज मॅट्रिक्स ए इज ऑफ ऑर्डर 2 by 3 and matrix B is also of order 2 by 3. Okay, nearest members are same? Not at all. Okay, so the nearest members are not same. It implies that matrix AB is not possible. मित्रांनो, हे जवळचे मेंबर्स सेम नसतील तर multiplication possible nahi. We'll take one more sample. Suppose matrix A is of order 3 by 3 and matrix B is of order 2 by 2. Look here, the nearest members are not same. It implies that AB is not possible. Now let us see how actual matrix multiplication is. Okay, suppose this one is the first matrix and this one is the second matrix, and we are going to multiply these two matrices. Okay, these are the rows of first matrices and these are the columns of the second matrix. Now look here how actual multiplication works. First row get multiplied with the first column. The combination we write in this place. First member get multiplied with the first member, second member get multiplied with second member, थर्ड मेंबर गेट मल्टिप्लाय विथ थर्ड मेंबर. मित्रांनो, पहिल्या रोनी पहिल्या कॉलमला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आणि जे कॉम्बिनेशन येईल ते या पोझिशनला लिहायचं. पहिल्या मेंबरनी पहिल्या मेंबरला मल्टिप्लाय करा, दुसऱ्या मेंबरनी दुसऱ्या मेंबरला मल्टिप्लाय करा, थर्ड मेंबरनी थर्ड मेंबरला मल्टिप्लाय करा. जर फोर्थ मेंबर असेल तर फोर्थ मेंबरनी फोर्थ मेंबरला मल्टिप्लाय करा आणि जे कॉम्बिनेशन येईल ते कॉम्बिनेशन या लोकेशनला लिहायचं. फर्स्ट मेंबर मल्टिप्लाय बाय फर्स्ट मेंबर, second member multiply by second member, third member multiply by third member. If the multiplication comes positive, write positive. If it comes negative, then write negative. Further, first row multiply by second column, we write in the next place. Row number 1, column number 2. Similarly, row number 1 multiply by column number 3, we write in the third place. Row number 1, column number 3, like this. Row number 1, column number 4 in this place, like this. Okay, further, now we'll move to row number 2. Row number 2 again multiply with column number 1, we write in the first place. Row number 2 multiply with column number 2, we write in the second place. Row number 2 multiply with column number 3, we write in the third place. Similarly, row number 3 again multiply with column number 1, we write here. Row number 3 multiply with column number 2, we write in this place. R3 multiply with C3, we write in this place, like this. Okay, मित्रांनो काय नाही, फक्त पहिल्या मेंबरनी पहिल्या मेंबरला मल्टिप्लाय करा, दुसऱ्या मेंबरनी दुसऱ्या मेंबरला मल्टिप्लाय करा. जर मल्टिप्लिकेशन पॉझिटिव्ह आलं तर पॉझिटिव्ह, निगेटिव्ह आलं तर निगेटिव्ह, आणि ते पूर्ण कॉम्बिनेशन या एकाच लोकेशन मध्ये लिहायचं. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी वन एक्झाम्पल हियर. सपोज वी वांट टू मल्टिप्लाय दीज टू मॅट्रिसेस. ओके, नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट द मल्टिप्लिकेशन. रो नंबर 1 get multiply with column number 1, we write in the first position. Okay, first member ni first member ला multiply करा, second member ni second member ला multiply करा. जर पॉझिटिव्ह आला तर पॉझिटिव्ह लिहा, निगेटिव्ह आला तर निगेटिव्ह लिहा. इफ मल्टिप्लिकेशन कम्स पॉझिटिव्ह, राईट पॉझिटिव्ह. इफ इट कम्स निगेटिव्ह, राईट निगेटिव्ह इन द फर्स्ट पोझिशन. लुक हियर, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 positive 3. Okay, now first row multiply with second column, we write in the second place. Okay, look here, first member multiplication -4, second member multiplication -3. Getting clear? Further, first row multiply by third column, we write in the third place. Look, first member she multiplication, second member get multiply with second member. Look, 2 into 4 it is 8, and 3 into 3 it is positive 9. Okay, now first row, is there any fourth column? Not at all, so we complete the process here. Okay, so in this way the first row of multiplication is completed. Now we'll move to the second row. Again we start from the first column. Second row, first column, here it is. Okay, first member get multiply with first member, 1 into 2 it is 2. Second member get multiply with second member, 2 into 1 it is positive 2, right? Further, second row, second column, the next member, 1 into -2 -2, 2 into -1 -2. Getting? Further, second row, third column, the third member, 1 into 4 it is 4, 2 into 3 it is positive 6. Okay, now so third row, again first column, we write the first member, 4 into 2 8, 1 into 1 positive 1. Okay, further, 4 into -2 it is -8, and 1 into -1 it is -1. Clear? Further, third row, third column, the last member, 4 into 4 16, and 1 into 3 positive 3. So in this way matrix multiplication comes like this. Okay, So this is the matrix multiplication. Okay, answer comes 3 rows and 3 columns. Look here, if these two are same, the nearest members are same, then matrix multiplication is possible. Okay, and the final answer comes 3 by 3. Look here, 3 by 3. So this one is the order of resultant matrix. Getting? Now let us see few MCQs based on matrix multiplication. See question number 11. Matrix A is given, matrix B is given, and the question is AB is equal to question mark. Okay, now let us multiply the things here. First row, first column, first member. Okay, first member multiplication, 4 into 2 it is 8. Second member get multiplied with second member, 2 into minus 4 it is minus 8. Okay, further first row, second column, the next member. Yes, 4 into 6 it is 24. Second member get multiplied with second member, 2 into minus 12 it is minus 24. Getting clear? So we complete the matrix here. Now we'll move to the second row again first column. मित्रांनो दुसरा रो पहिला कॉलम इतला मेंबर बोला 8 into 2 16 and 4 into minus 4 minus 16. Okay, second row second column last member, 8 into 6 48 and 4 into minus 12 minus 48. Okay, so in this way the matrix AB comes 0 0 0 0. Okay, so which is in option C. So option C is correct. Okay, now we'll move to the next one. 12th question. Matrix P is given, matrix Q is also given, and the question is matrix PQ is equal to number 12. Look here, matrix PQ is equal to, let's multiply the things here. First row multiply by first column, we get the first member, 5 into minus 3 minus 15. Second to second, 4 into 4 it is plus 16. Okay, further first row second column, the next member, 5 into 4 20 and second member 4 into minus 5 it is minus 20. Okay, let us complete the matrix here. Further second row again the first column, 4 into minus 3 minus 12 and 3 into 4 it is plus 12. Now the last row last column, second row second column, 4 into 4 16 and 3 into minus 5 minus 15. Okay, so in this way matrix PQ comes 1 0 0 1. Okay, which is in option A. So option A is correct. Well, now we'll move to the 13th question. Question is matrix A is equal to 2 4 1 1, then matrix A square is equal to question mark. We all know that A square can be obtained by multiplying A with A. Okay, A square can be obtained by A into A. So it is equal to matrix A is 2 4 1 1 into again matrix A is 2 4 1 1. Now let us multiply these two matrices. It is equal to again first row first column first member, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 1 positive 4. First row second column the next member, 2 into 4 8, 4 into 1 positive 4. Okay, let us complete the matrix here. Now the second row again the first column, 1 into 2 2, 1 into 1 positive 1. Now second row second column the last member, 1 into 4 4, 1 into 1 positive 1. So in this way matrix A square is equal to, it is equal to 4 plus 4 8, 12 3 and 5. So this one is the answer, 8 12 3 5. It is in option C. So option C is correct. Now we'll move to the 14th question. Question is matrix A is given, matrix B is given, and BA is equal to question mark. Now let us find matrix BA. Matrix BA is equal to, first we write matrix B, 2 3 1 and minus 1, and then matrix A 0 4 5 and 0. Okay, now it is equal to again first row first column first member, first row first column first member, 2 into 0 0, 3 into 5 plus 15. Further, first row second column the second member, 2 into 4 8, 3 into 0 plus 0. Further, we complete here the matrix. Second row again the first column, 1 into 0 0, minus 1 into 5 it is minus 5. Now second row second column the last one, 1 into 4 it is 4, minus 1 into 0 it is 0. Okay, so in this way matrix BA comes like this. It is 15, 8, minus 5 and 4. 15, 8, minus 5 and 4, it is in option A. So option A is correct. Okay, now we'll move to next sum. 15th question. If matrix A is of order 3 by 2 and matrix B is of order 2 by 3, then, so matrix A is of order 3 by 2 and matrix B is of order 2 by 3. Okay, it implies that matrix AB, is it possible? Yes, it is possible because the nearest members are same, so multiplication is possible. Now once again we write matrix B is of order 2 by 3 and matrix A is of order 3 by 2. It implies that matrix BA, is it possible? Look here, the nearest members are same, so matrix BA is possible. Okay, so AB and BA both are exist, so this is the answer which is in option C. So option C is correct. Okay, now the next question, 16th one. If matrix A is of order 3 by 3 and matrix B is of order 2 by 2, then again the same options are there. Matrix A is of order 3 by 3 and matrix B is of order 2 by 2. Okay, it implies that AB is possible or not? Not at all. AB is not possible. AB is not possible. Okay, further let us write once again matrix B, it is of order 2 by 2 and matrix A, it is of order 3 by 3. Okay, it implies that BA, is it possible matrix BA? Look here, 2 3, these are not same. Okay, so matrix BA is also not possible. So friends, in this case AB and BA both does not exist. This is the answer which is in option D. So option D is correct. मित्रांनो 15 आणि 16 मध्ये काय की AB आणि BA कसं एक्झिस्ट होतं हे आपल्याला माहित आहे. जर जवळचे मेंबर सेम असतील तर एक्झिस्ट होतं, नाहीतर एक्झिस्ट होत नाही. तर 15th मध्ये दोन्ही एक्झिस्ट होतात आणि 16th मध्ये दोन्ही पण एक्झिस्ट होत नाहीत. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. दिस इज जस्ट द बेसिक क्वेश्चन. If matrix A is of order m by n and matrix B is of order p by q, then the matrix multiplication A into B is possible if and only if the nearest members are same. Means n is equal to p. So n is equal to p, which is in option B. So 17th answer is B. Okay, so option B is correct. Now let us see the next sum. 18th question. Matrix A is given, then matrix A transpose is equal to question mark. Friends, A transpose can be obtained by interchanging rows and columns. Okay, rows are converted into columns. We get the transpose of a matrix. मित्रांनो, रो हे कॉलम मध्ये कन्वर्ट केले की आपल्याला ट्रान्सपोज मिळतं. थोडक्यात काय की आडव्याला उभं करायचं. राईट, लुक हिअर, 2 - 1 is in row, 2 - 1 must be in column. Where it is? It is in option C. Okay, further 3 2 3 2 1 1 1 1. Okay, so this one is the transpose of matrix. It is in option C. So option C is correct. So similarly 19th question is also there. Question is matrix A is given, then A transpose is equal to question mark. 19th sum. 2 3 4 5 are in rows. Okay, so we check 2 3 4 5 as a column. 2 3 4 5, 2 3 4 5. Look here, 2 3 4 5, which is the transpose of the original matrix. It is in C. Option C is correct. So in this way, by interchanging the rows and columns, the transpose of a matrix can be obtained. Well, now let us move to the next concept, inverse of a matrix. Simultaneously we will see few MCQs also. Friends, inverse of a matrix is denoted by A inverse. मित्रांनो, इनव्हर्स ऑफ अ मॅट्रिक्स हे ए च्या डोक्यावर -1 असं दाखवायचं असतं. वाचताना ते ए इनव्हर्स असं वाचायचं. वी रीड इट ॲज ए इनव्हर्स अँड वी राईट इट ॲज ए रेज टू -1. ओके, नाउ फ्रेंड्स, इन युजुअल अल्जेब्रा a number multiplied by its inverse gives you 1. A number, suppose 4 be any number, into its inverse means 4 inverse. 4 inverse means 1 upon 4. 4 च्या डोक्यावर -1 याचा अर्थ 1 upon 4. So 4 into 1 upon 4 gives you how much? 1. In usual algebra, unity means 1, and in matrix algebra, unity means identity matrix. Okay. A inverse means such a matrix that matrix into original matrix gives you an identity matrix. मित्रांनो, ए इनवर्स याचा अर्थ असं मॅट्रिक्स की मॅट्रिक्स ए ला एखाद्या मॅट्रिक्सने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स यायला पाहिजे. तर या मॅट्रिक्सला म्हणायचं ए चा इनव्हर्स. ओके. सो ए इंटू इट्स इनव्हर्स गिव्स यू हाऊ मच? आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स. सायमल्टेनियसली ए इनव्हर्स इंटू ए इज ऑल्सो identity matrix. Okay. Now regarding this, there is one objective. Look here. Question number 31. If A be a non-singular square matrix, then A into A inverse is equal to dash. A into A inverse, recently we have seen that it is identity matrix. मित्रांनो, एखाद्या मॅट्रिक्सला त्याच्या इनव्हर्सने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर त्याची किंमत आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स येत असतं. सो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. नाउ विल मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 अगेन. टू सॉल्व ax is equal to b, we use the relation. मित्रांनो, a into x is equal to b असेल तर यावरून कॅपिटल x ची किंमत किती? a into capital X is equal to b. From this, capital X is equal to question mark. Now let us solve this one. a into capital X is equal to b. Look here. Suppose if you multiply both sides by a inverse. Look, a inverse into a into x is equal to a inverse into b. Correct? Further, what is a inverse into a? Now recently we have seen that a inverse into a is equal to how much? I. So it comes I into capital X is equal to how much? A inverse into b. So what is I here? I means identity matrix. Okay. So identity matrix plays a role of 1. Okay. So 1 into capital X gives you capital X. It is equal to a inverse into b. So in this way we got capital X is equal to a inverse into b. Look here, capital X is equal to a inverse into b, which is in option b. So option b is correct. Now let us see how to obtain inverse of a certain matrix. मित्रांनो, आता inverse कसं काढायचं असतं हे पाहूया. It goes through few steps. First one is minor of a matrix denoted by small aij, then cofactor of a matrix capital Aij, further adjoint of a matrix, and then inverse of a matrix. Okay, so let us see one by one. First we'll see minor of a matrix denoted by small aij, and it can be obtained by eliminating row and column of that element. Let us see this one, minor of a matrix. मित्रांनो, minor म्हणजे काय ते डिटेल मध्ये पाहूया. Look here, minor of a matrix small aij can be obtained by eliminating row and column in which that particular element present. Suppose matrix A is equal to PQRS, then matrix of minors is equal to, look here, if we eliminate the row and column in which P present, P चं रो आणि कॉलम ड्रॉप केल्यानंतर काय राहतं? S. So we write S here. Okay. Further, minor of Q. Eliminate the row and column in which Q present. What is remaining? R. So we write R here. Getting clear? Minor of R. Eliminate row and column in which R present. What is remaining member? Q. So we write Q here. समजतंय? The minor of S. S चं रो आणि कॉलम ड्रॉप आउट केल्यानंतर काय शिल्लक राहतं? P. So P is the minor of that S. Okay. So this is matrix of minors. मित्रांनो, मायनर्स कसं ऑब्टेन केलं जातं? त्या पर्टिक्युलर नंबरचं रो आणि कॉलम ड्रॉप केल्यानंतर जे शिल्लक राहतं तो वाला मॅट्रिक्स म्हणजे मॅट्रिक्स ऑफ मायनर्स. Now regarding this, let us see few questions here. Look here, question number 24. Minor of a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4 is, how minor is obtained? Minor is obtained by eliminating the row and column in which that particular member present. Okay. So what is minor of 1? Eliminate row and column. 4 is remaining. So here comes 4. Okay. 4 is in option A as well as option D also. Now let us check the second member. What is the minor of 2 here? eliminate row and column. What is the remaining member? 3. So we write 3 here. Okay. So 3 is in option A. Getting clear? So option A is correct. Now we'll move to the next one. Minor of a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. Look. Suppose matrix A is equal to 3 2 6 1 minus 1 4 and minus 2 0 minus 3. Suppose we want to find the minor of element 3. Look, 3. How it can be obtained? By eliminating row and column in which that member present. 3 च row आणि column drop केल्यानंतर काय शिल्लक राहतं? minus 1 4 0 minus 3. So we write the determinant of minus 1 4 0 minus 3. It gives you minus 1 into minus 3 3 minus 4 into 0 0. 3 minus 0 it is 3. Okay. Now minor of 0. Where is 0? Here it is. So eliminate the row and column in which 0 present. 0 च row आणि column drop out करा. 3 6 1 4 remains. We write in the determinant 3 6 1 4. So its value is given by multiplication of these two members 12 minus multiplication of these two members 6. Okay. So 12 minus 6 it is 6. So this is minor of 0. Let us see one more sample here. Minor of 4. Where is 4? Here it is. Okay. So drop the row and column in which 4 present. 4 च row आणि column drop केल्यानंतर काय शिल्लक राहतं? 3 2 minus 2 0 present. So 3 2 minus 2 and 0. Okay. So its value is given by multiplication 0 minus multiplication minus 4 and minus minus becomes positive 4. So in this way minor can be obtained. Now let us see one MCQ on this. Question number 28. Look here. In a matrix minus 4 minus 3 1 0 2 4 and 3 minus 1 minus 2, the minor of 2 is minor of 2. Where is 2? Here it is. So how to obtain minor here? By eliminating row and column in which that member present. Okay. So what are the remaining members? Minus 4 1 3 and minus 2 remains. Okay. So we find the determinant of minus 4 1 3 and minus 2. Okay. So it is equal to multiplication of these two members is minus 4 into minus 2 positive 8 minus 3 into 1 it is 3. It is equal to 5. So answer comes 5, which is in option D. So option D is correct. Now let us move to the next concept, matrix of cofactors, which is denoted by capital Aij. मित्रांनो matrix of cofactors म्हणजे काय पहा, जे capital Aij ने दाखवलं जातं. Capital Aij is given by minus 1 raised to I plus j into small aij, where small aij, we all know that small aij is matrix of minors. Okay. मित्रांनो small aij जर matrix of minors असेल तर त्या मॅट्रिक्सला minus 1 raised to I plus j ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. Now actually minus 1 raised to I plus j, it means we are going to multiply each and every member by minus 1 raised to I plus j. Look here. A, its position is first row and first column. It means I1 J1. What is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1? It is minus 1 raised to 2. Okay. So we multiply minus 1 raised to 2 with A. So we multiply A by minus 1 raised to 2. Means A get multiplied by 1. So A into 1 gives you A. Right. Now look at the position of B. The location of B is first row and second column. Means I1 J2. I1 J2 1 plus 2 it is 3 minus 1 raised to 3 बोले तो minus 1. So we multiply B by minus 1. B ला minus 1 ने multiply केलं तर minus B येतं. Similarly look at the location of C. C is located at second row and first column. Is it? Second row first column 2 1. So 2 1 2 plus 1 3 minus 1 raised to 3 again minus 1. C get multiplied by minus 1. It gives you minus C. What is the location of D? D च location काय? Second row and second column 2 2 2 plus 2 it is 4 minus 1 raised to 4. It gives you again 1. So D get multiply with 1. It gives you again D. साधं शॉर्टकट लक्षात ठेवा. एवढं सगळं लक्षात ठेवण्यापेक्षा you just remember we change the sign of B and C only. Okay. If small aij is ABCD, then capital Aij is A minus B minus C and D. Okay. Now let us see one MCQ on this. Cofactor of a matrix 1 2 3 4 is 4 options are there. Friends, first we find matrix of minors, which is denoted by small aij, and it can be obtained by eliminating row and column. Okay. Dropping row and column of 1 gives you 4. Eliminate row and column of 2, 3 remains. For 3, 2 remains, and for 4, 1 is remaining. Okay, so this is matrix of minors. Further, capital Aij means matrix of cofactors, and it can be obtained. Recently we have seen that by changing the sign of these two members. Okay, 4 1, keep it as it is, change the sign of 3 and 2. It gives you 4 minus 3 minus 2 and 1, which is in option A. So option A is correct. काय नाही मित्रांनो, मॅट्रिक्स ऑफ कोफॅक्टर विचारलं होतं. आपण पहिल्यांदा मायनर काढलो. मायनर कसं मिळवायचं असतं, रो कॉलम ड्रॉप करून जे शिल्लक राहतं तो वाला मॅट्रिक्स म्हणजे मायनर असतो, आणि कोफॅक्टर काढायचं असेल तर फक्त या दोन लोकेशनचं चिन्ह बदलायचं. सो दिस इज द मॅट्रिक्स ऑफ कोफॅक्टर्स. ठीक आहे. नाउ लेट अस सी अ शॉर्टकट फॉर मॅट्रिक्स ऑफ कोफॅक्टर्स फॉर 3x3 मॅट्रिक्स. Suppose matrix of minors is like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Then matrix of cofactors is obtained by changing the sign of these four members. By changing the sign of B, D, H, F. या चार लोकेशनचं चिन्ह बदलल्यानंतर जे मॅट्रिक्स मिळतं त्याला म्हणायचं मॅट्रिक्स ऑफ cofactors. So this is the shortcut for matrix of cofactors. Well, now let us see MCQ on this concept. Look here, question number 26. If matrix of minor is then matrix of cofactor is. Matrix of minor is given, and we know that matrix of cofactor can be obtained by changing the sign of these four members here. Okay, या चार लोकेशनचं चिन्ह बदलल्यानंतर आपल्याला मॅट्रिक्स ऑफ कोफॅक्टर मिळतं. सो इट इज इन विच ऑप्शन? हे कोणत्या ऑप्शन मध्ये आहे? इट इज इन ऑप्शन डी, 2 1 3 1 3 minus 4 and 1 minus 1 1. Okay, it is in option D. So option D is correct. Now we'll take another one. Look here, question number 27. Cofactor of 3 in matrix so and so is equal to. Where is 3? Here it is. Here is 3. Okay, so first we find minor of this element. Okay, dropping the row and column in which that 3 present. What are the remaining members? 2 4 minus 3 minus 5. Okay, so its determinant is given by 2 into minus 5, it is minus 10, minus 4 into minus 3, it is minus 12, minus minus becomes plus 12. It is equal to minus 10 plus 12 gives you how much? 2. Okay, now we know that to find cofactor of a matrix we change the sign of these four members here. Okay, या चार लोकेशनचं चिन्ह बदलायचं असतं. याचं साइन चेंज होतं का? We don't change the sign of this member. Okay, so keep 2 as it is. So answer is 2, which is in option A. So option A is correct. Now let us move to the next concept, adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of matrix is denoted by ADJ bracket A. We read it as adjoint of matrix A. Okay, now look here, adjoint of A is given by the transpose of capital Aij. What is capital Aij? Capital Aij is matrix of cofactors. Okay, मित्रांनो, कोफॅक्टर मॅट्रिक्सचं ट्रान्सपोज केल्यानंतर जे मॅट्रिक्स मिळते त्याला ऍडजॉइंट ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स असं म्हणायचं. द मॅट्रिक्स ऑब्टेन्ड बाय ट्रान्सपोज ऑफ अ कोफॅक्टर मॅट्रिक्स इज नोन ॲज ऍडजॉइंट ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी वन एक्झाम्पल हियर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29. इफ मॅट्रिक्स ऑफ कोफॅक्टर इज लाईक दिस, then adjoint of matrix is question mark. Matrix of cofactor is given, it means capital Aij is given. Okay, and the question is adjoint of matrix is equal to dash. Adjoint of matrix is given by transpose of capital Aij. Okay, now in this case transpose of this matrix is adjoint. Okay, how to find transpose then? Interchanging the rows and columns. Okay, 3 1 2 write in column 3 1 2. Where it is? It is in option A, 3 1 2. 2 1 2 2 1 2 6 2 5 6 2 5. Getting clear? So this is the transpose of cofactor matrix known as adjoint of matrix. मित्रांनो, दिलेल्या मॅट्रिक्सचं ट्रान्सपोज केल्यानंतर जे मॅट्रिक्स मिळते त्याला ऍडजॉइंट मॅट्रिक्स म्हणायचं. या केसमध्ये ऑप्शन ए हे दिलेल्या मॅट्रिक्सचं ट्रान्सपोज आहे, त्यामुळं इट इज ऍडजॉइंट मॅट्रिक्स. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी अ शॉर्टकट टू फाइंड ऍडजॉइंट ऑफ अ मॅट्रिक्स. Friends, if matrix A is equal to PQRS, then directly adjoint of a matrix is given by S minus Q minus R and P. Means we interchange these two locations and change the sign of these two locations. मित्रांनो मॅट्रिक्स ए जर दिला असेल तर डायरेक्टली ऍडजॉइंट काढण्यासाठी हे शॉर्टकट वापरायचं. कसं करायचंय, हे दोन लोकेशन चेंज करा, पी एस एस पी, आणि या दोन ठिकाणचं साइन चेंज करा, मायनस क्यू मायनस आर. ओके, so this is the shortcut to find adjoint of a matrix. Now let us see a sample here. Question number 20. If matrix A is equal to so, then adjoint of A is equal to. How to obtain adjoint? Change the location of these two and sign of these two. या दोघांचं लोकेशन चेंज करा, या दोघांचं साइन चेंज करा. असं कुठल्या मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये दिसतं? इट इज इन मॅट्रिक्स बी. ओके, 6 1 च 1 6 and change the sign of these two positions, minus 5 minus 2. It is in option B, so option B is correct. Okay, now look at the next one, number 21. Adjoint of a matrix so and so is, again the parallel question is there. We change the location of these two members. 4 and 7 becomes 7 and 4. 7 and 4 is in option A, B, C. Now change the sign of these two positions, 6 and minus 1. Where is 6 and minus 1? It is in option A. So option A is correct. Now finally, inverse of a matrix. A inverse is given by 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A. मित्रांनो एखाद्या मॅट्रिक्सचं इन्व्हर्स जर काढायचं असेल तर ते या फॉर्म्युल्याने काढायचं. A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. ठीक है. Now look at the note there. If determinant of A is equal to 0, then A inverse does not exist. Suppose if determinant A comes 0, then 1 upon 0 is equal to how much? Infinity. Okay, जर determinant ची किंमत 0 आली तर 1 upon 0 ची किंमत हे असतं infinity, आणि जर 1 upon 0 infinity आलं तर A inverse does not exist. Regarding this there is one MCQ. Look here, A inverse exists if and only if determinant A not equal to 1, determinant A non-zero, determinant A is 0, determinant A is equal to 1. Look here, if determinant A is equal to 0, then A inverse does not exist. Okay, and if determinant A is not equal to 0, then A inverse exists. Okay, so the correct option is determinant A not equal to 0, which is in option B. So option B is correct right now there is a shortcut to find A inverse directly of 2 by 2 matrix. Suppose if matrix A is equal to P, Q, R, S, then A inverse is given by 1 upon determinant A. So what is 1 upon determinant A? Determinant A means PS minus QR. Okay, so it is 1 upon PS minus RQ into adjoint of A. Okay, so we know that adjoint of A is given by interchanging these two locations and changing the sign of these two positions. Okay, so this is shortcut to find A inverse, right? Now let us see one example based on this concept. Look here, question number 23. If matrix A is equal to 4 3 2 1, then A inverse is equal to. Now let us find A inverse with the help of this shortcut here. A inverse is given by, A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A, 1 upon determinant of A. It means 4 into 2 8 minus 3 into 3 9. Okay, into matrix, changing the position of these two members, 2 comes here and 4 comes here, and changing the sign of these two members, here comes minus 3 and minus 3. Okay, now what is 1 upon 8 minus 9? It is 1 upon minus 1, and 1 upon minus 1 means minus 1. Okay, minus 1 into 2 minus 3 and 4. Okay, so let us multiply this minus 1 inside the matrix. It is equal to, it comes minus 2 and minus minus positive 3, here comes 3 and here comes minus 4. So this is A inverse. Okay, which is in option B. Okay, so option B is correct. So friends, these are few examples based on inverse of a matrix. Now let us see one different example here. Question number 30. Matrix plus matrix is equal to matrix. Then the values of x and y are. Let us add these two matrices. It gives you 2 plus 5 7, x plus minus 2, it means x minus 2, here comes x minus 2, minus 3 plus 3, it is 0, y plus 1, here comes y plus 1. 5 plus minus 2, it means 5 minus 2, it is 3. And 4 plus 2, it is 6. Okay, e is equal to, right hand side is 710 minus 136. Okay, now just comparing, we get x minus 2 is equal to how much? 1. Okay, x minus 2 is equal to 1, it means x is equal to 1 plus 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So x is equal to 3. Further, what is y plus 1? By just comparing, we get y plus 1 is equal to minus 1 here. Y plus 1 is equal to minus 1, it means y is equal to minus 1, and plus 1 goes to right hand side, becomes minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. 3 and minus 2 is in option C. So option C is correct. Now look at question number 32 and 33. These are just properties of transpose of a matrix. AB transpose is given by B transpose into A transpose, and the transpose of A plus B matrix is given by A transpose plus B transpose. So these are the answers. You just remember these properties. Well, so these are few objectives based on matrix algebra. Thank you.